Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Fortnite game using your Epic Games account. So let's get started right away. In order to log into Fortnite using the Epic Games account, you will need to install the Epic Games launcher. If you don't already have this, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter, and you will be taken into the Epic Games store page. From this page, just click on the download button at the top right corner to download the installer, and you can simply click through the next buttons to install the launcher. Once the launcher has been installed, you will be asked to sign into your account. Now if you wish to play Fortnite using your Epic Games account, then you will need to enter your credentials for your Epic Games. Type in the email address and the password that you used while signing up for your Epic Games account and click on the sign in button. You can also use various other social accounts that you see underneath the sign in button. After proceeding forward with either one of these methods, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you used to register. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Epic Games. Open up this email and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the application and click on continue. And if this is your private device, you can enable the remember device checkbox. Once you click on the continue button, you will be logged in to your Epic Games account right away. And once you have been logged in, you can just open up the Fortnite game and the game will be connected to your Epic Games account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into Fortnite using your Epic Games account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.